Yeah. Okay.
Do I just have weak fingers?
On the line. She said 11. Okay. Early.
Okay, Jen, did you brush your hair, sweetie?
Yes, but
You need brushing out. Beautiful, honey, thank you. I thought I ordered it from Sahara, but I didn't. Oh, nice. Beauty. I love it. Nice and warm.
Yeah, but thin.
And then,
But I got it from East Mountain Sports, so the size isn't.
always large. I always need large.
But it's supposed
Can you like
to be,
upload videos
like,
from this?
you know, close to your body.
Oh, yeah.
But with the vest,
It's
yeah, close
Christmas!
to your body, right?
Right.
Because then you have the vest over it.
Exactly.
And I got an
What
iPod
is this?
It's like in
and
between,
some stuff.
like
And
a
Francis is a
charcoal.
loser.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. I'm having trouble
I thought
seeing.
it went alright because of the stitching. I had trouble with the
Hold on.
Nice. Very
close
good.
enough.
Originally, when I saw this in the magazine, I was going to order you the black turtleneck from Holly. But then when we got it, it was a brown interior. I said, Tilly, that's a brown interior. And then I didn't even have the damn thing ordered. The thing.
Never came.
Well, I didn't click on it. I thought
I didn't click. I didn't click on it.
I,
What the
this
world
is how
has come to.
No, I order out of the magazine. I write all the item numbers down. And then I put them in.
Nobody's really arrived yet. But
It's
been fun.
the number in, I guess.
Cool, right? Yeah. Well,